Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where it was at the lows of the day and then where the price ultimately closed all the way up there, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice move on the day. However, that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to best illustrate this, I want to scrunch up the chart here a tad. And that area is right here at, well, that makes it easy, 10 cents. So 10 cents. Why is 10 cents so important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 10 cents. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. And that was a big old range that it had been trapped below for quite a while. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does pull back here a little bit, not saying it will, but just for example's sake, and has a pretty drastic pullback, but then behaves in this manner. Even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you still have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying the phrase make progress as 10 cents. What about areas of resistance? From a resistance standpoint, key level right now is right up there at 11 cents. You can see not once, but actually on 2 separate occasions, the bulls try to push up through there, but then on both of those instances, the bears did smack it back down. So 11 cents, public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, very strong bounce this afternoon. So now it's just a matter of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.